Hello again. We will talk about white blood cells, but please subscribe to the channel and like the video to receive all new white blood cells. Type of blood cell that is made in the bone marrow and found in the blood and lymph tissue. White blood cells are part of the body's immune system. They help the body fight infection and other diseases. Types of white blood cells are granulocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, monocytes, and lymphocytes, T cells and B cells. Checking the number of white blood cells in the blood is usually part of a complete blood cell, CBC, test. It may be used to look for conditions such as infection, inflammation, allergies, and leukemia, also called leukocyte and WBC. Different types of white blood cells have different jobs. Some are involved in recognizing intruders. Some kill harmful bacteria. Others make antibodies to protect your body against exposure to bacteria and viruses. Some of the cells are part of our innate immune system, meaning they know from birth to attack foreigners. Others are part of our humoral or learned immune system. Humoral immune cells manufacture antibodies after exposure to a germ. This way, the body can be prepared for another attack by that germ. Neutrophils make up roughly half of the white blood cell population. They are usually the first cells of the immune system to respond to invaders such as bacteria or viruses. As first responders, they also send out signals alerting other cells in the immune system to come to the scene. Neutrophils are the main cells found in pus. Once released from the bone marrow, these cells live for only around 8 hours. Your body produces roughly 100 billion of these cells every day. 1 Eosinophils. Eosinophils also play a role in fighting off bacteria. They are very important in responding to parasitic infections, such as worms, as well. They are perhaps best known for their role in triggering allergy symptoms. Eosinophils can go overboard in mounting an immune response against something harmless. For example, eosinophils mistake pollen for a foreign invader. Eosinophils account for no more than 5% of the white blood cells in your bloodstream. However, there are high concentrations of eosinophils in the digestive tract. 2 Basophils. Basophils account for only around 1% of white blood cells. These cells are perhaps best known for their role in asthma. However, they are important in mounting a non-specific immune response to pathogens, organisms that can cause disease. When stimulated, these cells release histamine, among other chemicals. This can result in inflammation and narrowing of the airways. 3 Lymphocytes, B and T. Lymphocytes are also essential in the immune system. They come in two forms, B cells and T cells. Unlike other white blood cells that provide non-specific immunity, B and T cells have specific purposes. B lymphocytes, B cells, are responsible for humoral immunity, which is the immune response that involves antibodies. B cells produce the antibodies that remember an infection. They stand ready in case your body is exposed to that pathogen again. 4. T cells recognize specific foreign invaders and are responsible for directly killing them. Memory, T cells also remember an invader after an infection and respond quickly if it is seen again. B lymphocytes play a key role in the effectiveness of many current vaccines. In some cases, such as tuberculosis and pertussis vaccines, T lymphocytes are the main players. Monocytes are the garbage trucks of the immune system. Around 5% to 12% of white blood cells in your bloodstream are monocytes. Their most important function is to clean up dead cells in the body.